Hey guys, welcome to TMB Designs. In today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. I'm showing you here the first of two areas that we will be tackling today. This is our family room space. And as you can see, it's been lived in. So let's get cracking. Starting out, I like to remove all the items from the space that does not belong. And then I begin with my cleaning process. If you are new here to TMB Designs, welcome to the channel. And here you will find a host of videos everywhere from clean with me's, shop with me's, organize with me, event planning, and so much more. Today's video, as I stated, is all about cleaning. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for returning. You know how I get down, so let's get into the nitty-gritty of this cleaning video. I am using my tried and true technique of one wet cloth, one dry cloth to clean my mirrors on my little TV tables or my C-shaped tables. And then let's tackle this laundry. If you have watched any of my previous cleaning videos, you will notice that I am wearing the same thing. There's a good reason for that. I decided to break the videos up because it was an all-day cleaning and it would have been an extremely long video. So I figured I would break them up into groups. And so here you're seeing, again, the living room areas or the living spaces that I'm cleaning. But at this point, you guys, I was into the last phase of my cleaning and your sister girl was tired. So I just decided to turn the music off and just watch TV a little bit, just chill out and do my cleaning at the same time. Here you see I'm snacking. I am snacking on some breakfast wafers and doing my laundry all at the same time. Again, it's called multitasking. You guys, honestly, laundry has to be one of my least favorite things to do, but it has to be done. And I am one that if I start the laundry, I want to go ahead and finish it up. I don't want to wash some, leave them in the dryer. I want to go ahead and wash, dry, fold, and get it done and completed. That's the way I am done with that task. So let me know in your comments below, what are your laundry techniques? Do you wash one day, fold one day, or do you have an all-day laundry day, or do you do laundry throughout the week? I'm one that I'd rather get it all done on one day, knock it out, and be done with it. But let me know how you guys do it. I just have not found a way that pleases me, so I just knock it out at one time. Now that laundry's done, let's get to the cleaning. I'm removing everything off of the sofa so that I can fluff out my pillows and cushions, removing any debris. Since it's mainly my husband and I here, we don't have a lot of trash, so to speak. So it's mostly just me sorting and fluffing out the pillows in this particular space. And many of you have left questions or comments about this particular space, and you've asked for room tours. So I promise you that a room tour will be coming up soon for this actual space. The combination of the gray and blue seems to be a very popular one, and you guys have really been inquiring. So I will give you all the details on this space very, very soon. Again, I am sorting and fluffing. Final step to my cleaning is the floor. I like to clean from the top down. Someone asked me that question, so that's my method of cleaning. Like if I'm going to do a detail cleaning, I'll start from my ceiling fans and just work everything down. I'll start from a TV and work down to the cabinets. That way everything is nice and refreshed. And so here you see it all nice and clean. Everything is in its place. And this is another area you guys have asked a lot about. So I will be bringing a tour of my bar area as well. Again, this is our family room. So let's switch on over to the next space. You guys, now this is a total disaster. If you don't know, I am an event planner. So this is a combination of the last 3 events that I have had and working on the 4th one. So it is just a mess. So I have got to get this room whipped into shape, you guys. It's just, oh, it's a mountain of things that I use for events. So without any further ado, let's get cracking. Now, when it's a project this large, you guys, I know it can be very overwhelming. So I'm going to give you just a few tips here on cleaning and organizing. In this case, it is business purposes, but I just like to start taking one section at a time. Here I'm working in the area. I have these events kind of sorted by the themes that I worked in, and so over in this section was like a black and champagne area. So I'm working on that, just sorting out those items, getting everything in their proper places, taking items that need to be laundered into my laundry room, and so on and so forth. That way it helps me to not be so overwhelmed by the large undertaking that I have. So once I get through sorting out this section, then I'll move over to the next section and just tackle it one box or one area at a time. Again, this is just some tips. You don't have to follow my technique, but this is just what I like to do. Keeps me from getting overwhelmed, and I just work until the work is done. Okay guys, now at this point I have made tremendous progress. All of the storage containers have been taken to storage or put away or being laundered. I am now just doing the finishing touches on this space, and I feel so good and so accomplished in this day. It was a long day, but I feel good about getting everything sorted and getting my spaces back to normal. And guys, I do apologize. I thought I was recording the actual cleaning portion, but it was not. My storage was full. However, here is the finished result. It is so well worth the effort and time that was put into making this space clean and refreshed. I am so happy with the end result. As you can see, everything has been put away. The space is nice and clean. And not only does it look clean, but it feels amazing. I have my wax burning. I'll have to show you guys the wax that I use. It is amazing. I'm using the peaches and cream. During this time, it's very springy, but I love it. And hey, if you like what you see and you see what you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Join my TMB family so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. I can be found active on other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, you guys, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches. Don't forget to share, share, share.